I'm gonna throw this one away, and I'm gonna put a new bad boy. It's pretty indestructible, so we'll see about that. Hi guys, welcome in another episode of this incredible build, which I'm going to do. It's a very messy garage and workshop, but well, it's a bike in the middle of a progress, so it's gonna be some mess a little bit. I try to be tidy, but sometimes I'm failing. But well, never mind. So what are we gonna do today? Today we're gonna install that compensator, and we're gonna install the oil pump, and we'll pretty much put the new cylinders, pistons, rings, and all this kind of stuff. So bear with me, and we can get started, shall we? So here's the old one. As you see, it's still in a very good shape, but some people said they sometimes crack on those pieces. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw this one away, and I'm gonna put a new bad boy. This one, new compensator from a TTS Performance. It's a UK based company which are focusing on high performance engines, and they said it's pretty indestructible, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna install it, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I just installed that bolt in there. Is some sequence which you need to follow. So the first, hand tighten, the second torque to 135 Newton meters, then half turn loose, and gonna do a final torque which is 237 Newton meters. Well, 237, it's a massive amount of torque, so you need to prepare yourself with the right tools for that, because it's going to be very challenging. So this is installed. I'm gonna put back the tensioner. I'm gonna change those spring as soon as tensioner and everything it's got together, and we're gonna move on to another side and start installing the oil pump and all this kind of good stuff in there. So bear with. Hi guys, so it's next day. I've been working late to try to put the engine in a stage like you see it now. You obviously see me to put it together. Still waiting for those powder coating parts. Well, it's I'm expecting a phone call from them anytime now. So next episode I would like to show you how I'm gonna change these, and hopefully I'm gonna have those parts so I can put it together and do a startup and take it for a spin. After I find out its engine's running fine, no major issues, I'm gonna strip down all those tins, start to sanding them down and spraying. I'm gonna transform this workshop into spray booth. You see it's those blue curtains down there, so they're just gonna be rolled on a spray booth. I'm gonna clear all this stuff, so excuse the mess because it's a bike in a progress and all this kind of stuff. So everything needs to be moved. It's gonna be clear, empty. I have a ventilator in a window which moving my air out. Obviously before spraying I spray water on the walls, on the floor, sweep it up, all this kind of stuff. Even in this kind of primitive spray booth, you still can manage very good finish on a spraying. I have a 100-liter compressor down there. Obviously it's the lines go up, go all the way down the wall, and I have a three-way filtering system, so the water pretty much stay out of the air, which allow me to spray a little bit better. I have so far very good results with my system in here, but I just need to have a look on a different kind of lacquer. But I mentioned it earlier on the first episode, and on the next episode I'm gonna change those struts on that bike, and I'm gonna spray some of that old fender with some of this paint which I have it in my mind, which will suit to this bike very well. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button down there, and I will see you next time. I'll be back.